Hey there everyone, so there is a mysterious model that has released in Open Router named Horizon Alpha. So let's actually test it out. Good morning. So there has been a mysterious model that has been released in Open Router named Horizon Alpha. So I thought, let's do it. The usual testing that we all do. Okay, it is going up to 70%. Hey there everyone, welcome to the stream. Models with step-by-step output give a better response, but on our end it is actually very, inefficient, because whether it's chat interface or the agentic interface, it's a prompt and response pair. The best response I think will be in the chat interface, but that is very inefficient and kind of stressful. You have to ask the complete code, or if it's giving you snippets, then you have to manually edit and everything. Whereas when it comes to agentic coding, it does all of those things all by itself. But having said that, if you compare any agentic coding platform, let's take Cursor as an example, because I use Cursor. Whenever it's actually trying to read a code, sometimes it doesn't read the complete code, it just reads the snippets, so it might not get some things correct, or it would not have the complete understanding of the whole code. Whereas in a chat interface, it has the history of the complete conversation that you had. So chat interface is kind of a lossless conversation, whereas in agentic interface it's kind of lossy. I hope that makes sense. But having said that, as models improve, the gap should decrease. I personally was using OpenAI O3 I think yesterday for agentic tasks. It was getting a hit and miss. It was not, I was having a code, and I asked it to make a replica of it with some changes. It was not able to do that completely. It missed some things. Two models chat with each other and kind of what can we say? Kind of debate. Are you trying to say that? They go back and forth and give you a response. Maybe this is what Grok 4 Heavy has. So maybe you're trying to point that out. Having said that, guys, the percentage has dropped significantly. We are sitting somewhere around 27.4%. Having a back and forth conversation will make coding better, but it is, if you talk about API pricing, it could be kind of pricey. What do you guys think? Which model it could be? From which AI lab? Will it be from OpenAI? I think we already had Cypher Alpha, which many speculated as being the OpenAI open source model. It said it's an OpenAI based on GPT-4. Does it say that? Okay, let's actually check that. So the testing will go on. Okay, I'm ChatGPT, an AI assistant developed by OpenAI. If you're asking for the internal model name used in the API, that depends on the configuration. Common current models include GPT-4o, GPT 4.1. Okay, it knows about GPT 4.1, guys. That means it is a new model from OpenAI. It has to be some variant of GPT-5 or the open source model. It is from OpenAI, guys. You can see it says I'm ChatGPT, an AI assistant developed by OpenAI, and it knows about GPT 4.1. Hi William. So if it knows about GPT 4.1, it has to be a new model. And I mean, it is a new model, but its context length, it's a knowledge cutoff. Knowledge cutoff should be pretty recent. And as it says it's an OpenAI model, then I think it could be the open source variant, I guess, guys. Or GPT-5 Nano, I guess. Looking at the performance, it should be GPT-5 Nano. Yes, one of them is a major model where it's responsible to guide the other one to code, like Gemini is major model, and ChatGPT will keep providing the response of output if it matches or not. Okay, so I have actually tried such kind of an interface. Such kind of an agentic experiment. I think we call that orchestrator. So Gemini is acting like an orchestrator in your example, which oversees everything what is happening, whereas the main coding stuff and all of that is done by O4 Mini. Am I right? Okay guys, we are going to get a sneak peek on how OpenAI's new model is going to perform. Maybe should we change the title, guys? It clearly said it's from OpenAI. Okay. The model has just released, so maybe that's the reason they will have to add some system instructions so that it doesn't say that it's an OpenAI model. Maybe in the next few hours that will be gone. That's the reason I have took a screenshot. Maybe we can change the title, I guess, guys. Let me see. Guys, by the way, a question for you guys. Will you become a member if I actually start membership? Talking about the model, I think the average time is very less, so it has to be a small model. Maybe it is GPT-5 Nano, but GPT-5 Nano, maybe it should have a better response and better performance. Having said that, guys, it's a pre-trained model. Maybe it's GPT-5 based on GPT-4. I mean, GPT-5 based shouldn't be I think it should be intelligent. But having said that, you have a point, because you can look at GPT 4.1. Even it has scored 20.5%, whereas GPT 4.1 is a flagship base model. So maybe Horizon Alpha could be that. You do have a point. We'll know when we do more testing. Don't do memberships, to be honest. Donations can work though. I'll have to see. I am thinking of membership, but I did think about donations, but I'm confused between donations and memberships. Let's do one thing, guys. Let's try one of our questions. If it's GPT-5, I think its front-end aesthetic should be good, because that is what's circling around in the AI space. People are saying GPT-5 is very good in front-end aesthetics. So we'll test one of our questions. Why not? We'll get an idea of what can we expect. Let's try the Super Mario question. Okay, it's not good in formatting, I guess. The formatting is not good. Anyway, I'll do a retry. By the way, guys, it is scoring above GPT 4.1. So whichever model it is, it doesn't think wonder if it's any good. Okay, we have got the response, but it's not formatted. Let me try it once again. I think that is not going to work. We'll just ask a different model or the same model to actually format it. By the way, guys, I have also tested Quen 330B A3B, which just released. I mean, I didn't make a video on it, but I just tested it, and it landed in 19.3%, just below GPT 4.1. We have to understand it is, comparable to Gemini 2.5 Flash, and it's way ahead of it. We'll have to look at that, but have to make preparations for GPT-5 as well. It's going to be big. have to be prepared for that. The launch is close, I guess. We have got the response, so let's see. By the way, guys, you can test the model in your end and tell me what you think about it. Is it any good? I think we'll have to copy the raw response. .4 is not bad, guys. By the way, Cypher Alpha, we have the score right over here in 15th rank. It has 17%, so it is not the open source model, I guess. And since it's clearly saying that it is from OpenAI, it should be the GPT-5 base, maybe. By the way, guys, please don't share any kind of private information or anything like that, since it might be a good model and you might think that okay, let's use it. That is nice, but don't share it. Share your private informations or use it in your coding environment, I guess. The reason is it's clearly mentioned here in the description that prompts and completions are logged by model creator for feedback and training. So yeah, they are very upfront about it. Okay, that looks insane. Okay, guys, this is GPT-5. I think it is GPT-5. I mean, it looks good. Let's see if it works. Okay, the space bar is not working. It looks good though. Absolutely insane, guys. The looks are completely awesome. GPT-5 confirmed. Yeah, it seems like it is GPT-5, guys. The launch is close. The launch is close, guys. We are very close to the launch. The looks is absolutely insane, guys. GPT-5 is, I think, going to take every single benefit that Claude has. Agentic performance, I've been backtesting, and I think O3 is actually better than Claude for Opus. Yes, other GPT models are bad at creating designs and graphics. Absolutely correct. And this looks stunning. We are getting the updated response. Let's see if it actually blows our mind. JLM 4.1 can one-shot Super Mario as well. Yeah, I have seen. So is this GPT-5? Could be. I mean the pre-trained version of GPT-5. GPT-5 is kind of ambiguous, and O4 will also be called GPT-5. So this is the pre-trained part of it, I guess. We can just guess. Okay, we have got the response. The space is still not working, guys. Let's give that feedback. I am not able to jump. Give me complete updated code. So guys, some of the information that we should pay attention to. This model, when it comes to ARC-AGI, maybe is smarter than GPT 4.1. So it is the GPT 4.1 scale model. Point number 1. Point number 2, it says that it's an OpenAI model. Point number 3, it's aesthetically pleasing. So there is very high chance that this could be the pre-trained version of GPT-5. There could be. I know guys, you were talking about GLM 4.5 and I have to make a video on it, but I'm kind of a bit busy and preparing for GPT-5 because they will be releasing a pre-trained model and a reasoning model and stuff like that. So many models are going to be released. Let's see if we have got a response. Okay, we have got a response. So it's not working, guys. I think in raw intelligence this model is good, but I am getting small model vibes. I might have to rethink, I guess. Let's try something else. Let's try the infamous dragon. It is not formatting correctly, guys. Thanks for answering. You're welcome. So I think we can safely say that it is going to land above GPT 4.1. Let's see. Okay, it does look good. It looks good, right guys? Not that bad. I think this is the head and the eyes and the tail, the legs. I'm having second thoughts, guys. I mean, is it the. I mean. Maybe it could be the mid variant of GPT-5. Maybe. Its performance in ARC-AGI is above GPT 4.1, so that gives us the clue that it might be a big model, but some behavior that I'm seeing here, that seems to show it might not be the largest one. Okay, guys, that looks cute. Guys, that looks good, isn't it? Look at the tail, and I think that's a baby dragon. Maybe the open source model. Yeah, could be that, but then what was Cypher Alpha? Could be that Cypher Alpha was GPT-5 Nano. But they did say that, yeah, that looks cute. Look at the eyes, guys. It's kind of, feeling drowsy. Look at the moon. The mountains. It looks cute. I like it. Come on, guys. I need your help. Tell me, what is Horizon Alpha? Hi, David. So, there has been a mysterious model that has appeared in OpenRouter named Horizon Alpha. It says that it's a model from OpenAI. Also, its performance is better than GPT 4.1 in this particular benchmark, and also it is aesthetically pleasing, which was promised from GPT 5. It doesn't seem good enough to be 5. Yeah, I think it might not be the best one. The biggest. I mean, not. It might not be the biggest model. That would justify that. The SVG is good though. Okay. Come on, guys, tell me which model it could be. Can you tune down the music? Okay. Sure. Now it should be okay. Should have said earlier, I would have done that. So even SVG should be visible in. Okay, that looks insane. Let's try Dragon. Okay, it partially looks like a dragon and partially looks like a genie. I think the HTML CSS variant was better actually. Guys, we have to understand the speed is also, very fast. So maybe the mid-tier model or the small model is very good, that it is actually able to match the performance of GPT 4.1 in ARC-AGI. Look at the average time. It is very less. Claude models, for example, took 17 seconds, 15 seconds, whereas it is taking just 4 seconds. So this is very close to Gemini 2.5 Flash and stuff. Keep distance from mic. Okay. Faster than 2.5 Flash. So average time is 4.48 seconds for Flash Lite, and let me look for Gemini 2.5 Flash. Where is it? Okay. Yeah, it seems faster than Gemini 2.5 Flash. So, new theory guys. It might be a small model, but its performance is very good. If it was the open model from OpenAI, that would be reasonable. Yeah, that, and if it's an, Nano, GPT-5 Nano. OpenAI, open weight. Maybe. It is slightly behind GPT 4.1. Yeah, small model. Testing the LM Arena models. LM Arena, we need to have API access, to do this testing. So LM Arena models can't be tested here. Okay, it's done guys. Let's look at the leaderboard. It should have been updated. Okay, it is updated. Let's head over to the leaderboard. It is setting just right above GPT 4.1. The average time is very less. Very less than Gemini 2.5 Flash. Gemini 2.5 Flash has an average time of 5.59 seconds. And this one has 4.96 seconds. So Flash in itself is actually very fast. So it could be the small model guys, I think. A big size model should not be this fast. Horizon Alpha. Okay guys, we'll look more into it. Many of you guys are saying it could be the open source model. We'll see.